Hello dear students, how are you? This is Faridpur Virtual School, English for today class 6, presented by Apurva Kumar Das, Assistant Teacher Faridpur Government Girls High School. Welcome to my class. Dear students, this class made by our respectable teacher S.K. Muhammad Harun Rashid, Senior Assistant Teacher, Sonatala Model High School, Sonatala Bagura, and English for today, class 6 unit 1, and we discuss with you lesson 14. Let us see the picture and do you know them? Hope you know. Look at the picture. Mohiuddin Jahangir, Motiur Rahman, Ruhul Amin, Munshi Abdul Ru, Nur Muhammad Sheikh, Muhammad Mustafa Kamal, Muhammad Hamidur Rahman. Dear students, yes, everybody we know them, so we can tell them they are freedom fighters and Bir Shrestha. They are freedom fighters, Bir Shrestha, and our pride of our Bangladesh. So today our lesson is our pride. Dear students, write down on your notebook. Today's our lesson is our pride. After completing this lesson, we will be able to read and understand texts, ask and answer questions, write short paragraph, participate in short dialogues and conversations on familiar topics. Dear students, hope you will enjoy this class. It is very interesting and enjoyable class. Let us let's enjoy to video clip. Past video. Dear students, unlisted request to you, when we open this video, everybody will stand up and enjoy this video. This is our national anthem. Okay, dear students, salute. It is our national anthem, and next we will enjoy another video. Hope you can guess. After hearing thank you. What are they doing, dear students? Can you tell us what are they doing in the picture? They are celebrating our victory day. Okay. Go to the section A. Listen the passage activity, then go to section A1 and solve the tasks. Yes. Section A1, in individual word, match the words with their meanings. Column A and column B. At first, we will try to read out from the slide. Column A, unforgettable, independence, celebrate, shift, revolt, martyrs, and another column B is the word is revolution, falling on, sacrificial victim, freedom, memorable, make famous or party. Now, dear students, you will try to matching the word. Have you got the point? Hope everybody will easily do the work. Now, next, unforgettable is similar word is memorable. Unforgettable similar word is memorable. Next, independence, freedom. Independence match with the word is freedom. Celebrate, make famous or party. Celebrate, make famous or party. And shoot, match with falling on. Revolt will match revolution, and thank you very much. It's correct answer. Dear students, look at the picture. Do you know him? We salute our leader, father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who declared the independence of Bangladesh, and our Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the father of the nation. We salute him, respect him. Dear students, can you guess anything from the picture? Yes. Look at the slide and imagine. What is it? Our pride. Yes, it is our pride. Victory Day. Independence celebrating. Now 26 March is our Independence Day, which we celebrate annually with pride and joy. Yes, we can find out from the slide. Many pictures are here. It is our Independence Day, which we celebrate annually with pride and joy. Okay. Our sorrow and grief. It is our sorrow and grief and very pathetic scene. We can't expect it. March is also a month of sad memories for us. Who know that? 25th March 1971, in the darkness of the night, the Pakistani army swooped down upon and killed many unarmed men, women and children in Dhaka. So it is very pathetic. Dear students, again I read out from the slide. March is also a month of sad memories for us. On the 25th March 1971, in the darkness of the night, the Pakistani army swooped down often and killed many unarmed men, women and children in Dhaka. Our pride. However, the Bengalis soon rose in heroic revolt and war of liberation began. Everybody know. Now we will discuss with you. Try to make sentence with the following words. December, victory. December is our pride, victory day. Victory and the picture means the victory. December is our victory day. Surrender. Surrender. Surrender here. On 16 December 1971, the Pakistani army surrendered unconditionally. The picture means surrender. On remember it and read again and again. On 16 December 1971, the Pakistani army surrendered unconditionally. War. It is the picture means war here. War. We achieve our freedom after a war. We achieve our freedom after a war. Again, war. We achieve our freedom after a war. Martyrs. Martyrs. We should pay our deep respect to the martyrs. We should pay our deep respect to the martyrs. Okay? Now, we will do pair works. Read the text again, then ask and answer with your partner. Why 25 March is often called the dark night? You will read from the textbook and do the pair work. Now I am giving you individual pair work. Look at the picture, look at the above pictures and write a few sentences about our liberation war. Dear students, already you have read out from your textbook and I hope most of you can write a paragraph on about our liberation war. Few sentences. Now, I am giving a homework. Take an interview from a freedom fighter of your locality about our liberation war. Dear students, it is your homework. Attentively you will do the work. Thank you for our class.